If you have some documents and you want to go ahead and then summarize it, then all you need to do is go ahead and then click on this attachment button right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply upload out any document that you have. Let's say, for example, I have the sample page right here. Let me just go ahead and open it out right here. So you can simply go ahead and now say summarize the contents of this document. So if you have a especially long document, then this will be quite helpful. This will be quite useful to actually go ahead and then get some G's. So it says this document sample page appears to contain a repetitive text with the word sample followed by a word paragraph repeated multiple times. It seems to be a placeholder or a filter, as you can see right here. And you can see that I can even open Microsoft Word documents right here, and you can see that that is exactly what it is right here. And that is how you can go ahead and summarize the long documents that you may have right here, just like this, using Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.